tolls in Rhode Island. It's very rare, but aggravating nonetheless, and the I team was on it last week.
And tonight, we're taking our questions straight to the Department of Transportation. Tamara Sakarsik is here after pushing for answers. Tamara?
Jean and Patrice, we now know about 390 people in passenger cars have been affected by this after driving in close proximity to trucks. I wanted to find out why we didn't hear about this problem sooner and what's being done to fix it.
We noticed on September 22nd, we had multiple charges.
Multiple truck toll charges to a passenger car. Lisa Gargaro of Cranston says her daughter was one of hundreds of Rhode Islanders erroneously slapped with truck fees in recent months. Are you upset that RIDOT didn't warn anybody about this when they knew it was happening?
I am upset because we don't micromanage our account, especially Easy Pass. That's one of the things we just don't frequently look at.
It's like $150 on one day.
The I-Team told you a similar story last week after a viewer contacted us with the exact same issue. Both women have known about the charges since September, which means so has RIDOT. If you knew about this months ago, why not warn the public months ago to check their Easy Pass statements?
Well, again, we've been operating with the assumption this was well under the margin of error.
RIDOT Director Peter Alviti tells me this has affected 1,800 of 19 million transactions, which is 0.009%.
Everyone that was wrongly charged got reimbursed. So we've been very proactive about that. So it didn't rise to a level of concern, nor does it rise to a level of concern now. But
don't you think people with Easy Passes would want to know, though? Like, I have an Easy Pass, and I'd want to know that because I never check my statement.
Well, I think as with all technology, right, out of 19 million transactions, 1,800 people over 4 years, these are all very acceptable levels of error.
RIDOT is now working on getting the level of error to zero by having the company install an extra layer of software to the gantry system.
No technology is perfect. We're trying to make it as perfect as we absolutely can.
So some people have said, and we've heard this from the very beginning of the truck tolls, that this was always in the plans to scan the license plates of cars. What do you have to say to that?
Yeah, no. I mean, that's foolish.
As for the price tag for all of this, Alviti says they're not quite sure how much money they'll end up paying out in reimbursements at this point. For the NBC Tonight team, I'm Tamara Sakarsik.